If you want to start YouTube but don't want to show your face, I've brought you 20 unique channel ideas where you can earn money without revealing your face. Unlike other creators, I haven't included ideas like top 10, travel videos, ASMR, or driving videos because they are very time-consuming, and most of us can't put in that much effort. Make sure to watch the video till the end. 1. Tarot card reading and astrology. Before jumping to conclusions, let me tell you that with this niche, you can easily earn $10,000 to $26,000 per month. For example, look at the channel Vedic Jyotish with 1.486 million subscribers. It only provides daily horoscopes. The best part? You don't have to create new topics every day. Just post similar videos, and people will keep coming back since they watch this content daily. 2. Kids channel. Many YouTube creators ignore the massive audience of kids under 5 years. Channels like Cocomelon noticed this gap and are now among the biggest YouTube channels in the world. Similarly, channels like Dream Tales and Kids Point create animated or educational videos for kids and earn anywhere from $5,000 to $85,000 per month through ad revenue. You can make such videos easily using your phone or by creating simple ABCD type videos. A new channel that started 2 months ago already earns between $700 and $12,000 per month. If you want to learn how to create such content, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on it. 3. Movie. If you are a movie or series lover, this niche is perfect for you. You can recommend movies like Movie Vault and earn $3,000 per month, or create summaries like HuntingTube and earn $5,000 to $8,000 per month. Generating views in this niche is easy and you'll never run out of content. Moreover, old videos continue to generate views for years. 4. Affiliate marketing. For instance, the channel Vacuum Wars is entirely dedicated to vacuum cleaners. They earn around $4,000 monthly just from YouTube ads, but their main income comes from affiliate marketing. They review vacuum cleaners and share affiliate links in their descriptions. Similarly, channels in niches like gaming or relaxation can earn up to $40,000 per month. You can pick any product, create content around it, and add affiliate links to earn $10,000 to $40,000 per month without showing your face. 5. Artificial intelligence. AI. AI is the hottest topic right now. If you start a channel like AI Shortcut, you can earn around $3,000 per month without showing your face. For example, this channel is just 3 months old and is growing rapidly. They cover everything from AI news to its market impact. You can also create a review channel for new AI tools and share their performances with your audience. This way, you'll never run out of content, and brands might even sponsor you, offering high payouts. 6. Experiments. If you've ever rubbed a scale on your head to make your hair stand up, this niche is for you. Channels like Fun Science and Mr. Indian Hacker earn $5,000 to $10,000 monthly by conducting experiments with household items. These videos generate curiosity and attract viewers. You don't even need to speak in these videos. Just let the experiments do the talking. 7. Economics channels, like Economics Explained, have gained over 2 million subscribers by making videos about global economics and earn around $16,000 per month. Similarly, another channel with only 27 videos gained 68K subscribers and earns $3K monthly. If you specialize in a subject like math, physics, or literature, you can create videos on that topic without showing your face. 8. Relationship advice. The advice you give to your friends can be shared on YouTube to earn money. For example, Social Psychology Answers earns up to $83,000 per month by giving relationship advice. You can also scale your earnings by affiliating dating products or services. This channel doesn't reveal its face or voice. It uses AI tools to create videos. 9. Health and wellness. The health industry is massive. Channels like Natural Ways use stock videos and graphics to create content and earn $3,000 monthly. If done right, you can also earn up to $10,000 by promoting products. 10. Personal development channels like Improvement Pill have over 3 million subscribers and earn $10,000 per month without showing their face. You can use text-to-video software to create similar content on topics like self-discipline, productivity, and more. 11. Philosophy. People love learning about philosophical ideas and ancient thinkers. Channels like Philosophy Insights have over 1 million subscribers and earn around $4,000 monthly. 12. Investment and personal finance. Finance is one of the most profitable niches. For example, Practical Wisdom earns $13,000 to $50,000 monthly by discussing finance topics. You can use stock footage and graphics to create similar videos. 13. Celebrity news. This niche is about creating videos on celebrity updates. Channels like Speedy Facts earn $12,000 per month by simply using celebrity clips and adding a voiceover. 14th, horror stories channel, like Creepypasta, gain millions of views by sharing haunted stories. You only need sound effects and basic images to create such videos. 15th, motivation. Motivational channels like Motiversity earn $30,000 monthly by using famous speakers' voices and adding video clips with subtitles. 16. News. If you can stay updated, you can create news videos on global topics or niche-specific topics and earn $10,000 monthly without showing your face. 17. Exploration channels, like Top 10 Places, focus on cities and travel destinations and earn $6,000 monthly by using images and videos sourced from Google. 18. Book summary. People love book summaries but don't have time to read. Channels like Trader's Book Club earn $7,000 monthly by summarizing books. 19th, riddles and quizzes. Channels like 7-Second Riddles have gained millions of subscribers by sharing fun riddles and puzzles. 20. Gaming. Gaming is one of the most lucrative niches. Channels like Total Gaming earn up to $350,000 monthly by streaming gameplay. These are 20 niches where you can start a channel without showing your face. If you want a detailed video on any of these, let me know in the comments.